Hey guys, today's video we're going to review and try out this 16-inch electric chainsaw from Harbor Freight. They have another one that is similar to this one, but it's a little cheaper. But it looked way too cheap. So I paid a little bit extra to get this one. Like I said, it's 16-inch, and this is electric. It's not gas powered. And what I'm going to be using it in today is this branch over here. This beautiful tree, which I really, really like, has gotten bigger, and with the weight of the branch has gone down. And I did not want to cut the branch, but it's happened to me already a couple of times that I'm mowing the yard back and forth, and I end up bumping my head. And just so you guys have an idea, this right here, the thicker part, that is less than 5 feet tall. So it's really, really low, really low. So I'm going to be cutting this branch, this over here. So that's going to be the test for the little chainsaw. So let me go ahead and open it up. And we have to add oil, chain oil, and then it should be good to go. Just plug it in, it should be good to go. You guys can see, but this what comes in it. It actually comes with a little bit of the oil. Cool. That's the owner's manual. Come out. Feels nice and hefty. Doesn't feel like I used to have an old one, an old electric chainsaw, and it was really light. So this feels pretty, like it has nice weight to it. Okay. Hopefully you guys can see it. It's got a little thing for chain guard, and this is where we'll put the oil. Okay. Hopefully this is gonna work good. Make sure you guys watch it, so you're being able to see it pretty good. Not very heavy, just has good weight to it. So let me go ahead and fill it up with oil, and then we're gonna give it a try. The chain is tensioned pretty good already. Looks like it's good to go. One thing I really like about this one compared to the other one that I had, this one looks like you adjust the chain with this thing over here. So you don't have to pull out any tools or anything like that to do it. It has some oil, so I'm gonna use that one first. And there he goes. Don't want to overfill it. There we go. Looks good. Put this back on. Alright, should be good to go. Chain is tension pretty good. There we go. I like connecting the cables like that just so that it will not come loose. Anyway, all right, let's test it out. Wow, that's a nice kick to it. So to start it up, you have to like a regular gas power chain. So you have to pull this lever, and then it's good to go. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put eye protection and ear protection, and let's try it out for the first time. It cuts nice and smooth. Wow. Guys, I hope you guys were able to see that, but it's cut into the branches like nothing, like butter. It's amazing to me how good it's cutting. The branch is already going up because we're moving the weight from the little branches that I removed so far. See, Max is right there, keeping me company. So let me go ahead and continue cutting before because darker. Guys, I have to say that so far I am very impressed with how good it's cutting. It cuts so much better than the old little chainsaw that I had. He has really good powers according to the little branches like nothing. So let me continue. Guys, I'm going to go ahead and set it up on a time lapse, cutting the smaller branches. When I get to the bigger parts over here, on this one over here, I'll go ahead and show you how it cuts the bigger branches. Okay. This is how big this is, guys, so you can have an idea. Here's about 6.5 inches or so, 7 inches. I'll be cutting right over here. Wow, that is really good. I'm very happy. All right, guys, let me continue. Been trying to finish it up. Very impressed. All right, guys, now time for the final cut. Well, guys, all done cutting that low branch. I won't be hitting my head anymore with it on it. um, anyway, guys, looks so much more open. I'm gonna go ahead and trim this one over here. That's a little low, and the other one over there. I don't want to have to worry about it touching my head or hitting my head when I'm mowing the yard. I have to say, guys, I am very impressed with the little saw. I'm not saying it's the same as the gas power one, because it's not. I've used the gas power one before, but man, it is good. As you guys saw, I mean, it cuts to the branches like nothing. So much easier than the other one I used to have before. The other one I used to have before was like old Black & Decker one or something like that. So if you guys need a little chainsaw that is just to trim trees or something like that, I recommend it 100%. This is the first time I use it, and you guys saw how we did. Look at all the little tree trunks. Cut all of that in no time at all. So I'm very, very impressed. Anyway, guys, I hope this help you make a decision in case you're trying to decide what chainsaw to get. This is the one that I got. 16-inch Bauer. Not sponsored at all. I wish it was sponsored. But just sharing my experience with you guys. All right, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and try to pick this stuff up and clean up a little bit. Tomorrow's trash day, so I'm gonna see if they can take some of the stuff away tomorrow. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. As you can see, it's getting kind of dark. It's supposed to be storming any second now. But anyway, thanks for watching, guys. If you guys enjoyed the video, hit the like button. Help me out by hitting the like button. All right, it motivates me to continue making more videos about the kind of stuff that I do. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Take care and have a great day, okay? And by the way, here's my little friend, my little Max. Always keeping me company. Take care, guys. Have a great day, okay? Bye-bye.